thought it was time to take some pictures or videos of my little canaries. Here's one of my babies that I hatched in the springtime. A little scared. See here. He's not so. Canaries are not tame birds. That's one little video. Let's see what else do we have here. This is the building that I built. Here are more canaries. Those are all from the springtime. I didn't have many babies. I had many eggs that didn't hatch. I had a total of 6 babies. I love my baby birds. Yes, those are my young'uns. And then we go in here. We got some mommies on eggs. She's on an egg. Let's see if she lets me go in. Can I come in? Oh, she's gonna attack me. Can I come in? I have to use a different hand. Let's see. Can I look at your eggs, Mommy? She's got 5 eggs. 5 eggs. But what she does is when they hatch, I have to take them away because she will smother them. Here is another one of my babies that has hatched. Got another girl on eggs, but I can't really get it. A couple of birds down here. Where is everybody? You have eggs here too, I think, right? Got birds up there. Let's see if we have any eggs. No eggs right now. No. No eggs in here either. So I actually only got, there's one egg that has been abandoned. There's one abandoned egg. And there is one pretty mommy. She's got a nest here. She laid first eggs in this nest, abandoned them, and then she laid more eggs in this nest. So here we go. All my birdies. All my little birdies. Oh, I have birdies down here too. On the bottom. There we go. And he's kind of shy. This little guy is shy. What's the matter? They do sing. I wonder if I can get in with my camera. Now he's getting all scared. Yeah, he thinks I'm going to try to catch him. Oh, my poor little baby. Name him Frosty. He's kind of a frosted color. Pretty boy. It's a pretty boy. Have to make sure I close this, right? And here are my birdies. And here are my birdies. It's a little side hobby. Not just dogs, but little Tweety birds. See if you can see them all. It's a 4-story. Yep. Go back over here. Oh well. I love my birdies.